How to fix moisture detected error on Samsung. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The moisture detected error on Samsung devices, particularly in the charging port, often occurs when the device detects moisture or liquid in or around the charging port. This is a common issue, especially if the phone has been exposed to rain or humidity, or if the charging port has come into contact with water. For this, the first thing you want to do is disconnect the charger and turn off the phone. You can also try drying the charging port using a soft dry cloth or tissue. Now, if there is no moisture or liquid in the charging port or your device and still you're getting this response, then you want to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and get to the option of battery and device care. Now tap on the battery option. Scroll down and tap on charging settings. Now, you will find the option of fast charging. Depending on your device, you can have super fast charging or some other settings like this. What you want to do is simply toggle off the option of fast charging and supercharging if you have that option. Once it has been toggled off, you want to now turn off your phone. So go ahead and tap on the power off option. While your phone is switched off, you want to connect the charging port and charge your device. Then after that, you want to switch on your device, and the next time you charge, this error will no longer be shown. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.